Hi everybody, and welcome to my flip through for my Stamperia Sunflower Art mini album. There is a full tutorial series for this album that I have designed for Scrap and Create, who provided all of the Stamperia papers and ephemera for this album. So thank you to Scrap and Create. All of these products will be linked in the description box below. So if you want to follow along with the tutorial series, you can click on those links, purchase those products, and follow along. I will also link the playlist tutorial in the description box below for you to find the tutorial series. So this is a little bit of a different style album. It is not a pocket page album, it's more like a folio. So this is a 2-inch spine. This is a 1.5-inch spine. And then we have a 1-inch spine and a 1/2-inch spine. 4 pages total in here. This measures 8 1/4 by 8 1/2, and the main pages are made out of chipboard sheets, and the pages, the interactive elements, are made out of cardstock. On the cover, I did use rice paper for this cover and for this cover. So in the tutorial, I will show you how to use rice papers if you have never used them before. And then the rest is the decorative paper. I used the 8x8 and 12x12 collection, as well as the adhesive ephemera cutouts and some of the cards that come in a little pack with this collection too. As we go through the album, the whole thing is not going to fit in frame, so I will be moving the album to help be able to keep it in frame, but then at the end I will put some photos of it completely open so you can see what it looks like. So on the inside front cover, we have a large belly band here with a large photo mat, room for photos here. I did use just some plain yellow and red paper to help break up some of the patterns here, just because there weren't any background papers with this collection. These are from this card collection pack that Stamperia has for the collection. So they've got some cards and some tags. So I've just tucked those down here into this little pocket. On this page here, we have another one of those cards from that pack, and it acts as a closure, so it holds this flap closed. It opens up, room for a photo, and then here in the pocket, I have a cut apart card from the collection, and then I have 2 photo mats and just plain paper on the back. Now this page opens up again, so we have the entire thing open left to right. We'll start here. We have a waterfall, and I did the closure a little differently. Usually I have it on the bottom onto the top, but this time I have it on the top flipping up. So we've got some of the decorative paper, and then we have our waterfalls where you can place your photos. And then here I have a tuck spot with one of the little cut apart cards. Now over here, this is a feature that comes out. So it is a booklet. This is open for photos, as is this. And then it slides right down into the pocket. Moving into the center, there's a ribbon that holds all of this together. So here we've got a large pocket with a photo mat in the top, and more could be placed in this pocket. It is deep enough. And then here, this opens up. So we now have our spot for photos. These are actually open at the top as frames. So a photo will slide underneath of it. So the center part is adhered down, but the frame is actually open. And then here I have a tuck spot with one of the tags. And in this pocket, I have one of the cards from that card pack and a cut apart card. Again, there is plenty of room here that more will fit. You could make your own photo mats to put in here too. This page flips up, so now we have this and this. So starting here, I've got some of the little charms that come in the package when you purchase from Scrap and Create. They match the collection, so I've used a couple of those here. And these open up. This is open, so there's room to place the photo down underneath of it. So down here and up here. And I've got, these are from that card pack, and the rest, I believe, now this one's from the card pack too. These are cut aparts from the paper. So I've just placed a bunch of things in the pocket. You could put your actual photo mats in here too, so it really just depends what you want to put in here. You could also put little photos on the back. You don't have to use these for journaling. Moving into the center again, this is the lower flap. This should be up here. So these are some of the adhesive paper ephemera pieces. This acts as a tuck spot for this to come out. Oh, I forgot to mat this one. So I need to pull this out and do this one. So this will be a photo mat. And then here is a card here and a little tuck spot from one of the paper pieces. This opens up, room for a photo here. Again, it's open. And then in this pocket, I have a tag and a bookmark. These are both from that card collection. And then I have a long, skinny photo mat. This is open, so photo can slide underneath. And then this flap here is a pocket. It's a deep pocket, so more stuff could go in there if you wanted to put more photo mats inside there. And then this just slides in there and holds that closed. On the bottom part of this flap, we have a booklet here with flaps and then room for either photo or journaling. And then under the large belly band, I've tucked some of the adhesive paper cutouts or the ephemera just to give it some decoration. I have one of those cards from the card pack, and then I made a photo booklet, room for larger photos, and then some of the design paper on the back. And last, we come to the base of the page. So we've got the red truck image here and a large deep pocket. This has a belly band on a photo mat. So I've got a little tuck here with a tag. And then this belly band holds another photo mat, room for photo. You could place more photo mats in here too, if you wanted to. And then on the back side, room for a photo. And then that just slides right down into that pocket, and that's the album. So this is it for my Stamperia Sunflower Art mini album. It's very bright and colorful with that sunny yellow and then that red color, and I just think it really highlights the paper well, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you would like to make this album yourself, don't forget that there is a full free video tutorial available on my YouTube channel. And if you are wanting to purchase the papers for the Sunflower Art collection, I will link all of those products below from the Scrap and Create website. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.